MTech Auto over here. Got a little ARMYTRIX thing going on. About to sound a whole lot louder. There she is. Also putting on some center wheel caps, floating center wheel caps, some spacers, give that plush look, get rid of these reflectors, get rid of just all the orange stuff in the front that I don't like. But yeah, very excited. It's gonna be nuts. I can't wait. I'm gonna leave the car here to these guys. I'll check back later. Got some nice whips out here. Look at this M2. Woo! Gee! Look at these fenders. It's crazy. You got some G-Wagons in the back. They do a lot of things here at MTech Auto. First time here. They specialize in like BMWs and Porsches and whatnot. So I came here and got a good deal on the exhaust. Got little babies in there for work. So let's take a look around. Well, what is that? I think that's a GT2. Holy. That's a GT2 and a track car M2. Wow. These guys aren't playing around. Oh, whoa. Okay. Okay, that's a track car. Okay, that's nothing. Look at his wing, bro. Downforce gang. Holy. This is the spot. This is the spot. Look at this. Woo! FI exhaust on this GTR over here. Nice little E92 M3. Damn. This is clean. And that's freaking clean too. But what I wanted to see was this CS. This thing on bags? Holy. What's going on here? This is nuts. And there's, oh, this is a 1M. Jeez, bro. That's crazy. Damn, look at that lip. Look at this. This is beautiful. I like my San Marino blue better, but this paint's crazy. This matte, whatever frozen blue that they got for the CS is crazy. Must be hard to take care of. But damn. Okay. Okay. I'm beyond excited because that's the first thing I wanted to fix on the CS. Their exhausts aren't that loud originally, but with this ARMYTRIX, it's gonna be a little different. It's gonna be crazy. And you know, this is just step one. I'm gonna look into the equal length later on, but I'm gonna enjoy the rasp for now. These S55s don't sound the best, but you know, we'll see how it is. And hopefully later on, if I get sick of it, I'm gonna do the whole equal length thing. And that'll be a one-of-one exhaust if I do equal length paired with ARMYTRIX. But for now, let's see what happens. I'll be back when this is all done. He's out here with the boy having some changfan. I don't know, we got some lemon tea, got some youtiao here. It's out here. You know, got the peasant blockers. But yeah, that's it. That's it. It's off. Going to the van. It's original CS exhaust. side exhaust.
That's too much to afford, bro.
That is nuts. We looking like little toys out here, bro. What is this? Cops here already. Popo. Got my car. Got the Anime CS and the GT4 right here in the handicap spot. Oh my god, the alarm went off.